Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. My name is ELVINJIT Singh, and my matrix number is 18DDT21F1079. Today, I'm going to present about my assignment. My assignment is problem-based exercise 1. This is the first question of problem-based exercise 1. First question is, consider the following memory map and assume a new process P4 comes with a memory requirement of 30 KB. This is a table. P2 free 35 KB, P1 free 30 KB, P3 free 40 KB, and P 50 KB. Label P4 in the memory map according to the following algorithm and draw the new memory map. A is a first fit algorithm, B best fit algorithm, C worst fit algorithm. The answer is first fit algorithm. First fit algorithm is P4 will be under P2. P2 is P35 KB minus 30 KB equal to 5 KB. Now we go to the right side, best fit algorithm. The answer is P4 will be under P1. 30 KB minus 30 KB equal to 0 KB. There is no any number left. For the worst fit algorithm, is a P4 will be under second last row. 50 KB minus 30 KB equal to 30 KB. Okay. For the second question of problem-based exercise 1 is given the schedule below. Assume all the process arrive at 0 millisecond. That means process from P1 to P4 arrive time is 0 millisecond. Process P1 burst time is T. Process P2 burst time is 4. Process P3 burst time is 5. Process P4 burst time is 6. Suppose that all the processes arrive in the order P4, P2, P3, and P1. The A question is, draw the Gantt chart for the schedule using P4 algorithm. B is calculate the response time for each process. C, calculate the average waiting time. D, calculate the average turnaround time. This is the answer of A, question 2A. Draw the Gantt chart for the schedule using P4 algorithm. It will be first P4, P2, P3, and P1. From 0 to 6 is P4. From 6 to 10 is P2. From 10 to 15 is P3. From 15 to 18 is P1. For the second answer, question 2B is calculate the response time for each process. You must know what the formula or response time. Formula and response time at which process get the CPU for the first time minus arrive time. Okay, for the arrive time, back to the question, they tell arrive time for all the process is 0 millisecond. Okay, P1 they get on 50 minus arrive time is 0 equal to 50. P2 equal to 6 minus 0 equal to 6. P3 10 minus 0 equal to 10. P4 0 minus 0 equal to 0. C. Question 2C answer. Calculate the average waiting time. For the C is waiting time. First you must know what the waiting time is, and then you can calculate the average of waiting time. First, okay, what is the formula of waiting time? The formula is waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. Okay, let me say of the burst time of from P1 to P4. P1, the burst time is T, P2 is 4, P3 is 5, P4 is 6. P1 average waiting time is turnaround time is 18, P2 is 10, P3 is 15, P4 is 6. 18 minus C equal to 15, 10 minus 4 equal to 6, 15 minus 5 equal to 10, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. And then you will get the, if you want to, you need to calculate the waiting time, 15 plus 6 plus 10 plus 0. And then you will get the P1. Why you need to divide it by 4? Because all the process got 4. 4 process, meaning you need to divide it by 4. 31 divided by 4. By using calculator, you will get 7.75 milliseconds. Okay, for the D, calculate the average turnaround time. First and foremost, this is very important to know what is the formula of turnaround time. Turnaround time is completion minus arrive time. For this question 2, arrive time is 0 milliseconds. It's easy for us. From P1 to P4, you only need to minus 0. P1 completion time for P1 is 18, P2 is 10, P3 is 15, P4 is 6. P1 18 minus 0 equal to 18, P2 10 minus 0 equal to 10, P3 15 minus 0 equal to 15, P4 6 minus 0 equal to 6. And then you need to find turnaround time first. What the answer? 18 times 10 times 15 plus 6. You will get 49. And then why you need to divide it by 4? Because got 4 process. It got 4 process, you need to divide it by 4. By using calculator, you will get the answer 49 divided by 4 equal to 12.25 milliseconds. Okay, this is the third question. Third question is given the schedule below. Process P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, we will got burst time and we will got arrive time. Okay, what is the difference of second question and third question of problem-based exercise 1, PBE 1? What's the difference? The difference is for the second question, they don't give a arrive time. They just say arrive time is 0 milliseconds. Okay, it's easy for us. And for this question, they state that arrive time, they got arrive time here. For process P1, burst time is 2, arrive time is 4. Process P2 is burst time is 4, arrive time is 0. Process P3, burst time is 5, arrive time is 2. Process P4, burst time is 6, arrive time is 5. Quantum equal to 0 because you need to make the box by 2, 2, 2. The A, B, C, D. A is you need to draw the Gantt chart, calculate the B, calculate the response time, C, calculate the average waiting time. D is calculate the average turnaround time. Okay, this is about draw the Gantt chart. For the schedule, you see round robin algorithm. Okay, round robin. Okay, first must know what is the quantum for this question is 2 equal to 2. Okay, from P to P2, PT, P1, P4, P2, PT, P4, PT, and P4. The last one is P4. From 0 to 2 is P2. From 2 is 4, PT. From 4 to 6, P1. From 6 to 8 is P4. From 8 to 10 is P2. From 10 to 12 is PT. 12 to 14, P4. From 14 to 15 is PT. From 15 to 17 is P4. Okay. For this question, for question A, quantum is 2. Okay. This is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 6, 6 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 10, 10 times 2, 12, 12 to 14. Why PT 40 times 1? PT, why only PT you need to times 1? It is because PT, for the burst time, for the PT we got 5. Okay, from 2, okay, we got 5, right? Okay, now first one we take 2, right? 5 minus 2 we got equal to T. Okay, now we find another PT. PT balance we got T, right? Now we use 2 minus 2 equal to 1. Now balance 1. Now the third one, the last one is PT. 40 times 1 is PT. The last one, the last calculation is 1 only. You need to times 1. You cannot times 2 because the balance is only 1. The digit is only 1. Okay, for the second question, calculate the response time. Response time, what the formula response time? We process to get the CPU for the first time and minus arrive time. P1, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. P2, 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. PT, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. P4, 6 minus 5 equal to 1. This is average waiting time. You need to calculate the average waiting time. P1, P2, PT, P4. Waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. P1, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 10, P2, 10 minus 4 equal to 6. PT, 13 minus 5 equal to 8. P4, 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Okay, waiting time you need to times, you need to sum all, you need to times all, you need pass all. 0 times 6 times 8 times 6, you will get 20. Divided by 4 because got 4 process. This 20 divided by 4 you will get 5 milliseconds. Okay, for the last question of question C is calculate the average turnaround time. Turnaround time is completion minus arrive time. P1, P2, PT, P4. P1, 6 minus 4, you will get 2. P2, 10 minus 0 equal to 10. PT, 15 minus 2 equal to 13. P4, 17 minus 5 equal to 10. Okay, you need to times for the turnaround time. After you need to divide it by 4 because got 4 process. 2 times 10, 2 plus 10 plus 13 plus 10, you will get 37. Divided 4 process, got 9.25. Based on the calculator, you will get the answer of 9.25. Okay, this is the last question of problem-based exercise 1. Okay, identify whether deadlock occur or not in the following resource for calculation doubt. This is the answer for the left box. Okay, this is deadlock occur. Okay, for this table is a deadlock occur. It is because I will explain what is because of deadlock. Because of P1, we request to R1 and carry to and carried by R2. For the R1 assigned to P2. Okay. For this P2, this dot P2 requires to RC and carry by, and you need to carry by R2. Okay. RC, this is RC, they assign to PT, and PT requires to R2. It is because the same time, the process is the same time. That is because of deadlock. For the second one is no deadlock. It is because they have got different process time. For the third table, this is not deadlock occur. And thank you so much for interest and attention to me. Thank you and see you again. Bye.